All right, this video is going to walk you through how to find the radius of a sector when given the area and the central angle. The first thing you need to understand is the formula for the area of a sector. The formula goes as area equals the central angle over 360 times pi r squared. So what we have first is we're given the area. That area needs to go into the area part of the formula. The 152 here is the central angle. That needs to go into this spot right here. Now what we're going to do first is rewrite the formula with all the numbers entered and then see what we have left to solve for, which is the r. It'll be then 121.5 equals 152 over 360 times the pi times your radius squared. Now if we're going to get the r alone by itself, we're going to start canceling things that are farthest away first. So that 360 is technically the farthest thing from the r. It's a in the fraction that's farthest, but then down below is even farther. So that's going to be multiplying by 360 to both sides first. So multiply that by 360 and then multiply this side by 360. Now on the right side, those are just going to cross out. But on the right side, when you do that 121.5 times 360, you're going to get 43,740 equals 152 times pi times the radius squared. Now your next farthest thing you want to cancel is the 152. That's being multiplied to the r squared. But also notice that the pi is also doing the exact same thing. So let's get rid of those together. So we're going to divide by 152 pi to both sides. So we'll divide that by 152 pi, and this is 152 pi. Now here's how you're going to get it wrong with your calculator. It's very important if you're ever dividing by two things, you need to group those two things with parentheses. So when you take your answer that you currently have, the 43,740 divided by 152 pi, you're going to get 91.598. So 91.598. And that's going to equal, these cross out, right, equal r squared. Your last thing you have to do is get the r alone by itself by square rooting both sides. So if I square root this and square root this, the square root of your 91.598 is going to end up coming out to a radius of, in this case here, 9.57. 9.57. That is your answer to the question. That will go in your blank right here for how long the radius is to get the area to come out to 121.5 centimeters squared. Hope this video helps, and you're going to undo things around the r to get it alone by itself. Good luck.